Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this pink and rose gold Christmas tablescape. As a part of my 2020 Christmas decor, I recently did a black and gold Christmas memory tree honoring those who lost their lives due to social injustice. As such, I have put this tablescape together using these colors to honor the lives of those who have been impacted by breast cancer or any form of cancer for that matter. This tablescape is for you. Most of the items on this tablescape were gifted to me by one of my lovely YouTube sisters, Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner, as we recently participated in a Secret Santa gift exchange. If you have not yet seen that video, I will link it for you below. That way you can check out our Zoom party. And I'll also leave Kenya's channel below so you can go on over and check out her channel as well. First, I want to go ahead and show you the items and tell you where they came from. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So starting with the items I got from my Secret Santa, the first thing is this beautiful sequin table runner in rose gold that came in my package from my Secret Santa, as well as these beautifully rhinestone encrusted chargers. They also came with these beautiful pink napkins and these beautifully spiraled napkin rings. I have paired these items that I received with some of my very own pieces. This beautiful white plate I've always had. I got them from Pier 1 a while back. And I got a set of 4 of these salad plates from HomeSense. I also added some of my off-white napkins with sparkles just to kind of give it that layering effect. And I also went in with these beautiful flutes with the rose gold stems that I had on my Christmas tablescape 2 years ago, and these also came from HomeSense. At both ends of my table, I went a little bit differently, as I always do. This time I have a different salad plate with just the gold edge, and I went in with these beautiful napkin rings that I picked up from Z Gallery a while ago. For my centerpiece, I am using items that I've always had. You may have already seen some of these items in other videos, but like I always say, never hesitate to move your items around your home and change the look of your space. The 2 small deer on the ends came from the Dollarama 2 years ago, and I went ahead at that time and added some sparkle to their backs. The one in the center, I picked that up, I believe, at HomeSense maybe 2 years ago also. And the 2 Christmas trees on either side, I got, I believe it was a while ago, from Burlington. And these beautiful pieces, these flowers here with all the glitter and the bling, came from Z Gallery. And behind the flowers, I have a couple of pine cones on either side of the reindeer. And these pine cones came from the Family Dollar like 4 years ago. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. As well, if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I really do appreciate you stopping by and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos. And to all my lovely penny pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher Shalom saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.